Hello everybody, welcome in. This is my 96 Ford E350 Club Wagon, but it's not really so much a Club Wagon anymore. I kind of deleted the biggest windows it has, and it's more of like a work van and Club Wagon all in one. So guys, it makes a lot of sense to go ahead and delete the Club Wagon logo and also show you guys how I plug holes in the metal, because there's some holes behind here. Also, be sure to wear all your safety equipment depending on what job you're doing. I would recommend using a plastic trim tool, especially if you're not painting the vehicle. It's not a huge deal since we're painting this thing. We can go ahead and start prying it off here. Definitely be careful if you plan on reusing it. Oh, there we go. Oh, we broke it. We separated the XLT. As you can see, this thing has alignment pins on here that go through the holes in this door. So if you're painting the vehicle, it won't matter too much how you remove this, but if you don't want to paint it and the paint's already good, you definitely want to take your time. But I'm going to be using my Milwaukee angle grinder with a roll lock bristle brush, and hopefully this will take it right off. I don't know. Wow, look at that. It is going through the paint though. And there we go.
We'll just blow the dust off with some compressed air. Make sure to wear a respirator. I'll just use an 80 grip flat disc on my big grinder to make like a 2-inch diameter around each hole. Next, we're just going to use a little diamond abrasive bit on a Dremel and just clean out the paint inside here. Some more compressed air. Also, we're going to need a good ground for the welder, so I'm just going to use this hinge right here.
We can go ahead and roll the Eastwood MiG 90 out here. And Eastwood hooked it up with this machine a long time ago, and I have been using the crap out of it. So a great way to fill holes when you weld is to use some copper. And I got this little guy, it's got some magnetic feet that can change angle and an adjustable copper thing. So just stick that right there. All right, machine is on, gas is on. I'll connect the ground clamp right there. These are about the settings I've been using to do spot welds on this kind of size sheet metal. I think it's about like 18 gauge. There's the chart if you want to take a look. Yeah, I got a brand new spool of wire because I've already ran a whole 2-pound spool through this thing. So I have the itchiest blanket ever created covering this left tail light, and it's just held on by some magnets, just so we don't put some little melts in there. I think it's probably a good idea to clean the welding area up with some acetone, just to make sure you get all that paint, dust and stuff out of there. Okay, I got my welding gear on. I got the wire cut, so it's maybe like 1/4 inch or so sticking out, and we'll probably start at the edge to make sure we can get that arc and then kind of just fill it in. Oh, push the copper thing off, hold on. That's annoying. Wow, everything's falling apart over here. I'm gonna try not to like slam the door. That might have did something. Yeah, whatever. And let's just try that again. Let's give it some zaps. This hole's a little big. Ah, pushed a hole through. Well, I'm gonna turn my voltage down a little bit. I'm definitely not a pro, guys. Okay, I moved a little copper holder to the other hole, and it actually fit. And it's kind of being wedged into the door frame. which is good, so it won't pop out this time.
Okay, let's fill the other one. This one should be a little easier. Just gonna get a little zap at a time, or else would blow through it. Didn't think I'd have that much trouble. Yeah, I'm gonna turn my wire speed and voltage down quite a bit. Might just be too hot. It's weird because I spot welded my entire windows in and I didn't have this problem. Maybe this sheet metal is a little bit thinner. And hopefully that should be it. Okay, let's go ahead and grind those down with the flap disc. Here's what they look like on the inside. And I need to clean those up and put some rust encapsulator on them. Well guys, that's pretty easy to do, even if you're not a professional welder. But next, I'm gonna remove the Ford symbol. However, I'm gonna reuse this, so I'm not gonna plug those holes. I might actually just smoke it. But anyways, guys, hope you found this video useful. And if you're looking for a MIG welder, be sure to check out the Eastwood MiG 90, as long as you don't have to do anything over 1/8 inch steel. But you'll see it go on sale on their website, like for $199 once in a while. So be sure, if you wanna get it, wait until it's on sale. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.